Hey, Ryan? Wait, is that really you?
Emma! Wow, I can't believe this. It's been years.
I know. You look completely different now.
Hopefully in a good way?
Yeah, definitely. What are the chances of meeting here?
Seriously. I was just grabbing coffee before work.
Same here. Honestly, seeing you suddenly brought back so many memories.
Especially school memories. We used to talk every single day.
I know. And then life became busy, and everyone drifted away.
Yeah. Adulthood happened.
Do you ever miss those days?
All the time. Back then, everything felt simpler. No stress about careers, bills, or responsibilities.
Exactly. We used to laugh over the dumbest things for hours.
And now people barely have time to reply to messages.
That's actually sad when you think about it.
It is. But honestly, I'm really glad we met today.
Me too. It feels comforting somehow.
We should catch up properly sometime, instead of standing in a coffee shop doorway.
Definitely. And this time, let's not disappear for another 10 years.
Deal.
Hey! Wow, listen to the rain. It sounds exactly like those evenings when we were kids.
Right! I was literally thinking the same thing. Rainy evenings used to feel different back then.
Right? I remember sitting near the window with snacks, watching cartoons, and not worrying about anything.
And school getting canceled because of heavy rain felt like winning the lottery.
Seriously, we used to get so excited over the smallest things.
Now rainy evenings mostly mean traffic, unfinished work, or checking emails.
Yeah. Adulthood somehow made everything feel heavier.
Do you ever miss those simple days?
Honestly, all the time. I miss feeling carefree. Even sitting with family during a power cut somehow felt special.
That's true. We didn't have much, but life somehow felt warmer.
Maybe because we were fully living in the moment, without even realizing it.
Yeah. Funny how we only understand the value of those moments after they're gone.
You look unusually serious today. What's going on?
It's my first day at the new job, and honestly, I'm kind of nervous.
That explains the stressed face. Relax, Ryan. It's just the first day.
Easy for you to say. I barely slept last night.
Seriously? You're acting like you're about to perform surgery.
It feels that stressful. I keep thinking about everything that could go wrong.
Like what?
What if I say something stupid? What if I forget people's names? What if everyone already knows each other and I feel completely out of place?
Ryan, every single person in that office had a first day once. Nobody walks in feeling confident immediately.
I know, but starting over somewhere new is uncomfortable.
That's true. New environments can feel intimidating at first.
Exactly. New coworkers, new responsibilities, new routines. It's a lot to process.
What are you most worried about, honestly?
Making a bad first impression.
You worry too much about that. Most people are too busy thinking about themselves to analyze every little thing you do.
I wish my brain understood that.
Trust me, your first day will probably be simpler than you expect. You'll meet people, fill out paperwork, maybe attend a few meetings, and pretend to remember everyone's names.
That last part sounds impossible already.
Oh, please. On my first day at work, I accidentally called my manager by the wrong name twice.
No way.
Yes way. I wanted the ground to open and swallow me.
Okay, that actually makes me feel better.
See? Nobody expects perfection on day one.
I think I'm also scared because I really want this job to work out.
And that's a good thing. It means you care.
Yeah, I just hope I fit in with the team.
You will. Just be friendly, ask questions when you need help, and don't try too hard to impress everyone.
That's actually good advice.
Also, confidence matters. Even if you feel nervous, walk in calmly like you belong there. Fake confidence until real confidence appears? Exactly.
All right, I'm feeling a little less stressed now.
Good. Now finish your coffee before you're late on your first day.
Right. That would definitely create a bad first impression.
See? You're already learning what not to do.